前はもう死んでいる。何?
Yo, what's up mga kitlog? Yeah, this is Jackie Log, and if you're watching this video, you're probably like me. A noob. Or maybe just someone trying to look for someone to laugh at. I'm not really an FPS player, well, until Tarkov. I did try PUBG and R6, but it didn't really work out. I didn't have the skills for those. So, if you're like me, who sucks at this game? This series is probably for you. Rules to be better in Escape from Tarkov for Noob Edition. So basically, it's a series where a noob would experience, me, teaching other noobs how to be a little bit better in the game. Let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So in this clip, we just killed someone at Rock Gate, and you know, me being a good team player, trying to see if there's someone else. Turns out I was right.
Di nyo kukunin to, ABS?
No, I should win this fight. You know, I have good cover. He's just hiding behind that, you know, concrete slab. And, yeah. But I got hit. See what I do next.
Yeah, wait lang.
I ran and got shot from behind. Let's go ahead and take a look at another video.
Ay, pag may wood, nasa ano yan? Nasa mini shock.
Nakita ko na siya. Andiyan na. Back entrance. Ikot ka. Kita niya ako. Sino pumasok? Kalaban. Lumabas siya, ano? Dun sa
I think there's two things that I could have done here. I could have pushed and, you know, hoped for the best. Or maybe go back to cover. I don't know. I'm a noob. But one thing I know that I shouldn't be doing, which is what I'm about to do right now. It's to run away and get shot from the back. I don't know. Maybe it's just me who does this. I mean, probably someone else out there does this, and yeah. Just stop running away. And yeah, which brings us to our first rule. Stop being a pussy. Let me go ahead and share one saying I heard before. Every shot you don't take is a miss. And translating that into Tarkov, every time you miss, it's another chance for your enemy to shoot back. And besides, if you're in a party and you die first after not being a pussy, at least your friends can dump your stuff. Rather than dying last and no one's gonna dump your stuff after you get killed by Scav. Let's move on to the next video. Rashala.
Tara! Saan yan?
Nugas?
Tara.
Let's go. No pussy.
Parang guard nga yata.
Okay, pakla man. Okay, pick it up. Let's go. Ah, I got Rashala. Rashala.
Easy lang, Jack. Easy lang. Basta may basa ka. Push ka sa likod. PK up.
Rashala.
Dapat to.
Let's go. No pussy. No.
No visual ako, Jack.
Copy. Ay, namatay na. One more.
Sa store na ako.
Copy. Yep, got it.
scab.
I know. I still move like I'm so scared, but yeah, it's a process. It's baby steps. I still got him, right? And if I waited a little bit longer, my friend would have killed them and took all the loot. Good thing I got to them first. Anyway, let's go ahead and show everyone how I do this against PMCs. Okay, 2, 3. Behind the wall. Should I go? No. I came here for scabs. Oh shit. I wanna be a YouTuber. Let's do this for the content. Damn, that's scary. Sige na. Taka na. Sige na. Let's go. Okay, they're fighting someone at chemical. Let's see if we can take at least one. Don't die yet. Are you guys already dead? Hello. One more. Don't move. Okay, that's one. Oh, he's dead. Let's go. No! Okay, no pussy. Fight. Never mind. I need scabs. Go, buddy. Hey, Scav. Let's check skeleton. I need more scabs. I think 4 more. Nope. I need scabs. Never mind dorms. Blue? Oh. Fucking die already! Oh shit. Don't hit me. Oh fuck. No. Yeah, I think I'm safe. Okay, last 2. Oh. It's PMC. No, don't kill the scab. Oh wait, I can see them from upstairs. No, he killed them. Fudge. Where are you, bitch? Ooh. Don't move. Eh. Okay, come in here. Oh fuck, die. Die. Oh, yeah! Amacha! Akala ko katapos ako na numarap ka. God. Is it clear? Anyone here? Nope. safe. Hello? What's your gear? Oh fuck, honestly! Ah, let's get out of here. Shit. Slick, baby. Maybe the left is open. Hello? And it's closed. Let's go. Oh shit. No, never mind that shit. Let's get out of here. Slick, baby.
Good job!
Well, that went way better than I expected. I thought I was gonna die there. But yeah, let's end this video with one of the realizations I have. Is that sometimes it's just about intention. The intention to actually go in there and not be a pussy. Sometimes it's that split second of hesitation that actually gets you killed. And yeah, just take a look at this video that I'm playing right now. You know, I don't have good aim. I did a simple rotation. Just sprayed. And I think I actually got him. So that's it. That's my first rule. Stop being a pussy. Just commit, dive in, and hope for the best. And if you like this video, please click the like button and maybe subscribe. You know, I really want to be a YouTuber, and I'd appreciate your support. See you guys next week for the next video. Peace.